Hey everybody, Dan Cumberland, CEO of Video Remix here. I'm going to walk you through the Text Video Direct platform as it stands at, this is almost 3 p.m. on Monday morning. We will be rolling out updates, squashing bugs between now and launch, and this thing's going to be nice and polished by the time it's live, but I wanted to just show you what we have right now and how it all functions so you can just see the power that your customers are going to have to utilize this with their businesses, in their companies, with the businesses that they serve. It's just super fun, super fantastic. When they log in, they're going to see the Text Video Direct interface, their Text Video interface rather. So the basis of these videos are these text conversations, just like Text Video offered. But then what we have done is mash that technology up with Video Remix to create a whole new platform that allows the business owners to be connected directly to the customers and potential customers that are watching the videos. So we have call to actions, we have lead opt-in forms, we have click-to-call buttons, and we have personalization on top of all of that. So from this interface, if they are Text Video customers, they'll see projects that they've already created, or they can create new projects, just how the text video interface was before. It's all really fun, really editable to make these text-based conversations. This is one of the pre-made templates that I went ahead and pulled over and saved here. After that conversation has been made, then we're able to pull it into the platform. Let me, I haven't edited this one and saved this one. Let me just go here. Let's do this one. So I just hit that video button, and this is where you can preview it if I hit play there. Instead, I'm just going to hit the 3 buttons down here, and we can create a direct video. When you click the direct video button, it will open this landscape editor instead of that portrait mode. Now we're in landscape, and it gives us space on both sides of that phone image, that phone video, to add different things. There's so much here, so much design content. We've just loaded this up. First, you can add a background. You can upload an image from your PC. You can import an image from a URL. So if you want to just search for something on Google, you'd want to use Creative Commons if you're selling it, but you can just put the URL right there. Or you can pull from our image library. We have lots of different styles of images, from generic stock images to hands holding phones to desktops, lots of options. So right there, boom, and all of a sudden this video has already become even more dynamic with that background in place. So I can hit play, and we can go through this message and just watch it play, but let me just show you more of the options. So the playhead at the bottom here will control where things appear in the video. Next option over here is text. You can see this big text box pops up. You resize it to whatever size you want, and it dynamically changes the size of the text to match. So I can just say, hi there. And there it says, hi there. So just like that, you can see it looks a little bit funny. We're going to make this a little bit smoother as we go. If we want this to be a URL, we just pop that in right there and type in our URL, and it would all immediately have a live URL in the video. If we wanted to change the fonts, we can do that there. If we want to change the colors, all of this just editable right there. So boom, we have that right there. Already looking very cool. Now we can add personalization. And this right here, this little gray box, is our image personalization option. So right now, as of right now, the personalization isn't live in that you won't be able to see it on the finished project, but that should be rolled out very shortly here. And so when you pull this in, it pulls the user's data from Facebook or LinkedIn to pull their profile image, so they'll see themselves in the video. You can also personalize text by using this right here. And here you can see all of the personalized text. That's an option. First name, last name, email. Then these are pulled from the IP address, country, city, state, name, gender. I don't know why you'd use that, but we have access to that through Facebook. So that's all there. These are all options for you to use in your text boxes there. So I'm going to just keep going through here and show you more of the options. So we did text, we did personalized text, we did personalized image. We just do any image here. You can upload from your computer or do a URL just like with the other. And this is where we get to like the real meat, the real power. Already you have you have personalization options, but now we're able to have full screen CTAs, full screen video in-video opt-in forms. So let's just go to the end here, and let's say that we want to put a call to action at the end of this. at the end of this video. So let's just say right there. So I'm going to click, let's do the lead generator first. That's what we call our lead opt-in form. So here, immediately you see we have these fun, fantastic colored backgrounds and then all of these fields that you can customize. You can then hook them up to your email service provider or CRM. Lots and lots that you can do here. And just like with the text editor, you can change the fonts, you can change the size, you can change the colors. Here, click on this to go to your webhook. You can also download these, all the data from users as CSVs. You can also set up email notifications so that business owners or your customers can get emails anytime someone fills out this form. Click right here. You can choose your background image, either from your computer or something you upload, or select from the many options that we have pre-designed, just super fun and eye-catching backgrounds here. You can click right here, right up here, to add a logo, maybe the business that you serve, or select from our images of discount options. We call these coupons, coupon graphics. We've provided just tons of these because we know that these kind of things are what drive conversions. People want a discount. They want a reason to fill out that form. So we've given lots and lots of options, way more than you'll see right here. We'll be live by the time we go live. And that's the lead capture form, or like we like to call our lead generator. So just I'm going to go and close that out because I want to also show you our CTAs. We have both normal CTAs and we have coupon CTAs. You can see the text is a little cut off here. We're going to sort that out before we go live. There's full screen options that'll take up the full screen. There's buttons that'll just be a little call to action button. We have full screen click to call options where the user will click one button and it'll dial on the phone. We also have button style CTAs or click to calls. Those aren't live quite yet. And then we have full screen coupons CTAs, again driven by that discount promise, and lots of different options there. So let's just go with the full screen. We have lots of designs, only one showing right now. All of this will be done before we go live. Sorry, my mic cut off right there. So full screen CTAs here, lots of design options. This one is one of our more basic ones. I can't wait for you to see the rest because they are just really eye-catching and super fun. You'll be able to just put your link, whatever link you want in your call to action there, and you can you'll be able to move your text around to make this, customize this, and just make it look really, really nice for you. So lots of just designy elements just to give your customers everything that they need to make a really dynamic and fun video. So now when we go to publish, you can publish your campaign, and all of these are hosted in the cloud. That's one of the main differences between Text Video Direct and Text Video, is that Text Video Direct, the platform, has all these this dynamic content that allows for this interactive nature of these videos, with the personalization, with the URLs, with the lead capture forms, with the click to call. You can't download those options, so we've included web cloud hosting with this. So we can say, I'm going to say walkthrough. We'll call this walkthrough, and then say platform walkthrough video. So if I were to share this on Facebook, the title of the post would be platform walkthrough, and the description would go here, and then I can just choose a file to put as the poster frame. I'm going to choose this one, which is part of our logo. It'll look a little stretched here, but it'll look good once we go through. So that's the E from the text video logo. And then you just go down and hit publish project. Just like that, you get this URL that you can then share anywhere you'd like. And again, it's all hosted in the cloud. I can just drop that right here, and you can see here is that project that I just created that you watched me create. So that is a quick walkthrough of the platform. We'll be updating this as we roll out more features and more fixes between now and the time it goes live. But hope you can get in there and just really, really dig in and enjoy this. Like, I'll hit play just so you can see it. So I'll skip through. Let's just skip ahead to my call to action at the end. Boom, there it is. And then I can just click this button here, and it will. It's a 404 redirect there, but because that's not a live URL. But whatever URL you put here, you can click on, and the user will be taken right there. So that's it. Enjoy.